How to do crop animation like Ali Abdaal in DaVinci Resolve. Go to Effects panel and click on Generators. Drag 4-color gradient in timeline, then select it and open Inspector. Select each color and choose a lighter color instead. Drag your video in the second track and remove its extra parts. Click on Open FX, search for Transform, and drag it into the video. Search for Drop Shadow and drag it into the video as well. Select the video and in the inspector, click on Open FX, then expand Transform. Set edge rounding to 0.1, then increase zoom a little bit so you don't see the round edges of the video. Check the Crop checkbox and move the playhead to the start. Click on Keyframes next to Crop left, right, top, and bottom to add 4 starting keyframes. Move playhead 10 frames forward and set Crop left and right to 0.35 and Crop top and bottom to 0.05 to add 4 more keyframes. Move playhead 10 frames before the end of the video and click on diamond buttons to add keyframes with current values. Move playhead to the end and set all of them to 0 to add 4 more keyframes. Now click on this button to see the animation line. Select all the keyframes, and click on the curve button to smoothen the animation. From drop-down, choose each of the properties, crop left, right, top, and bottom one by one. Then select keyframes and smoothen them.